Ebusua, inti yasan edi ehye you are with Ghana's youngest creative director and content creator. If it's your first time here, you have to subscribe to stay connected. Inti, I've seen a really cool effect, music video effector, Xbox Ebenezer, a year war, Love You video of Bisa Kdei featuring KiDi, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do same effect. What you see with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. But irrespective of your video editing software, you are going to be able to do it if you follow my procedure. Inti yen shase why? Me patcha wo hu effect na eda eye screen ne so no. Yes, baby a blur background no baby a blur and I say baby a focus no one so cry no esan blur ewura can say background nim just so confusing. So we creative director and also we editor obedwin ade we ho ache ye pa. Was it done on post production or pre-production? Did they prepare it with the lens or they came on bench? Big ups to Xbox Ebenezer, big brother. It's really been a very long time. I know we say we're creative, but Obama so much help. I'm going to show you guys how to do this really cool effect. Sometimes they do it mostly in hip hops and trap musics and drill, condemn, and as if we are Do you get me? Yes, but people have been doing it in love songs. Now XBOs repeated it. It's not really common though, sure. And as I said earlier, and I'm going to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. Yes, so without wasting much time, MBA. But initially, medical yeah. We will be new to my channel, dear me pacho, and also coachy. Now what I say? How to launch this software? A very nice software and comfortable use it. Into your editor, you can have numerous or countless editing softwares. What I say on your PC because maybe a bit me see. But this particular one, people have been using it. So, mommy MB near effect, I made a repeat it. Yes, it looks like the background was blurred. Pacho, a bay or said then they see, yeah. And I say soon be done a cheat. And a baby I'm blame rural baby I blame him come. This is the effect I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and start everything afresh in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. Me patro, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Me patro, let's go ahead and clear everything. Let's clear everything from our timeline. This is a new project I opened. Na me rename uno Bisa Kdei. Do you get me? Sure. Into me folder be a picture folder or desktop on them. The video file we are going to work on. So you just hold and drag it onto your timeline. Here we don't need the audio file. Do you get me? Audio file on any, so it's either you mute it, be mute, yes, or you get rid of it. So I'm going to unlink it and clear the audio file so that I can get the video file to work on it very, very well. Yeah, into guys, effect in fast. This particular video you have to duplicate it. Also, what you say. And the way to do it in your editing software, I don't know. But this particular one, you have to hold Alt. And then you left click on this video file on the Alt. And then simultaneously you drag it up. Wait for it to drop before you remove your hand from the Alt button on your keyboard. Do you get me? Sure. I online professor won't name me the frame director Micky. Right? Sure. And on the video files now you too hanum say. But when you come to our source, hanum say in our program, hana say video na too. So we have to differentiate the video by adjusting the sizes of at least one of them. And we love to deal with this one first. The first panel on it, yes. And you head straight to that videos, and as that video file, effect controls. That is up here. You have your source and the effect controls. Then you come down here, the scale. So we are going to adjust the scale. Let me open full screen so that you see what happens when I adjust the scale. So you put it down. You pull it a little bit down. You get me? To at least 80 columns, something like that. It's cool. Sure, but this isn't nice. So, Obi who says what duplicative video nice time. Now you apply a certain effect to the first one. You adjusting a scale, I say zooming in and out. You get me? Sure. So you have to come to the effect tab. It's already opened. but any honoma or bahasianum say no mia this you see effect libraries and other stuff, then you select the effect. You come to the search button me patch me the addition to mrika kakra. And if you watch this and you don't get it, you have to rewatch and also watch it. Yes, so you have to crop this video. Because on a cropping the director make a bed then me patch ya search crop no e hanum say and effect no other hanum say. Do you get me? Yeah, so you go ahead and then you drag it onto the first layer. Now I can't want some sure into any. But how do we go about it? Edge feather no near per se ye decreasing no ye chi edura first video no as I adjust it down into the negative numbers, the edges fade into the first video layer no. Finally it fades off around -250. What I said, the edge feather of this first video. Then we go to the second video and then type in fast blur. Fast blur. Sure. Into one type in pon we na eno so abeda hanum say sa. Na watam eno so e dey ato video ni so. We are getting going. Sure. Into fast blur no increasing the blurriness no. We increase the blurriness na patch ubenya this effect I was talking about. This is the same thing XBO Ebenezer did. And this video you are watching, I shot it myself. So this is the effect. You can play around the effect controls to get nicer effects, really cool ones. Sure, the rain is worrying me, but do you get me? So this video is a shot from Evangelist Zelia's music video that there is power in the blood of Jesus. And the video is out. Sure. So I will put the link in the description below. If you don't get me well, I said earlier that the rain is really worrying me. Sure. And guys, see what Hanum say. This is the effect and I've shown you guys how to do this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Irrespective of your editing software, you can also do it. So let's end here and then meet you in the next video. Subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.